Landon's first taste of pears. Say hi. Ready? Want some pears? This is a little easier to do than the cereal. Oh, what do you think? Is that better than the cereal? Looks like it. Yeah, it's sweet. Mmm. Mmm. Nom 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 nom. Is that good? Yeah, you like that? Hmm? What do you think? You want more? You want more? More. Mommy likes pears more than Daddy, so you must be getting this from Daddy, from Mommy, huh? Pears are just okay. Yeah, wait till you have apples. Apples are really good. Mmm. Is that good? Yeah. Mmm, yum, yum. Oh. Good job. Good job. This is a lot less messy, huh? Huh? Because you're eating it like a big boy. Nom, nom, nom. Yeah. Couple more bites and we'll say goodbye. Nom, nom, nom. Did you like your first taste of pears? Alrighty. Nom, nom. What do you think? A little bit more for the camera. Okay, say goodbye to everybody. See you next time.